Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions on different levels. I am here for the same. Today in this video I am going to solve chapter Playing with Numbers exercise 5.1 question number 3, all the parts. So if you guys want to see the solutions of earlier chapters like rational numbers, square and square roots, exponents, cube and cube roots, factorization of algebraic expressions and linear equations in one variable, you can go by the description box where all the links are available. So let's not to waste further time, check it out how to solve question number 3 of exercise 5.1. So in question number 3, first part, we have been given find out without actual subtraction and division. We have to find out the quotient when the difference of 276 and 672 is divided by 99 and 44. So let's check it out how to solve it. So for first part, we would write 276 and 672 are 3-digit numbers such that one can be obtained by reversing the digits of the other. So for A part, we would write if we divide their difference by 99, the quotient is the difference of hundreds and ones digit. So it would be like that. If we subtract 276 from 672 and divide it by 99, what would we get? 396 by 99. So it would add 132 by 33 and 11 3s are 11 1s are 11 2s are. So the question would be the difference of digit. What is the difference of digit here? 6 minus 2, that is 4. So here is the part. Hope the question is clear. Now come to the B part. Have a full glance of question. Come to the B part. So B part is if we divide their difference by the difference of hundreds and ones digit, the quotient 99. So how would we solve it? 672 minus 276. So if we divide their difference by the difference of the digits at 101 place, 100 place is 6 and 1's place is 2, that is 6 minus 2. So we would be coming with 396 by 4, and after cancelling it we will get 99. Hope both A and B part of part first of question number 3 is clear. Still any type of doubt is there, feel free to ask by commenting into the comment section. Now come to the second part. So in second part, 8, 13 and 318 are 3-digit numbers such that one can be obtained by reversing the digits of the other. Clear? So here is second part, a part of second part. So we will write, if we divide the difference by the difference of hundreds and ones place digit, the quotient is 99. So let's check it out how to solve. 813 minus 318 by 5. Why 5? 8 minus 3, 5. So 495 by 5 will be coming out as 99. Hope this is clear. Now come to the B part. So in B part, if we divide the difference by 99, the quotient is difference of hundreds and ones digit. So 813 minus 318 by 99, that means 495 by 99. 11, it will go by 11, of course. 11 4s are 11 5s are 11, and quotient would be the difference of the hundreds and ones. 8 minus 3, 5. Hope the question is clear. Now come to the third part of and subparts A, B, C, D. So third part is given as so 951 and 159 are 3-digit numbers such that one can be obtained by reversing the digits of the other. So A part, for A part we would write, if we divide their difference by difference of digits, we get 99. So how can we solve it? 951 minus 159 by 8. Why 8? 9 minus 1, 8. So we will be getting 792 by 8, and after cancelling it we will get 99. So in B part, if we divide their difference by 11, we get, what would we get? 951 minus 159 by 11. So 792 by 11. So we would get 72. Now C part, if we divide their difference by 88, we get what? 951 minus 159 by 88, that is 792 by 88, means 72 by 8, that is 9. Now come to the last part. So last part is, if we divide their difference by 99, quotient is the difference of the digits. So what would be the difference of the digits? 951 minus 159 by 99, 792 by 99, so further 72, 9, 8. So hope all the parts are clear of exercise 5.1 question number 3. So still any type of doubt is there, feel free to ask into the comment section by commenting there. So if you guys like my video, or if it is somewhere helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and keep on sharing the video. Thank you so much.